Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making pumpkin ravioli. The key aspect of this recipe is to use wonton wrappers instead of pasta. Let's get down to it. First, we'll use a spoon to take the seeds out of butternut pumpkin. Then cut into smaller sections. You can either peel the skin before cooking or after. Then place them on a tray and season them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Cover with foil and cook them for 30 minutes. Now we'll make the ravioli filling. Cooked pumpkin, ricotta cheese, sage, nutmeg, salt, and pepper, and mix it all together. Then fill the piping bag with the mixture. Here are the wonton wrappers. They will save you heaps of time when making ravioli. Pipe the filling into the center of each wonton wrapper. Then brush the edges with water and place another wrapper on top of each wrapper. Make sure to squeeze the edges to ensure the ravioli doesn't burst open when you cook it. Bring a pot of water to simmer. Blanch the ravioli for about 2 minutes. And meanwhile, we'll make the brown butter sauce. Add butter, sage, and walnut to a hot pan and cook until the butter has become brown. Toast the cooked ravioli in the brown butter sauce. Then we'll move on to plating the dish. Top with grated parmesan. Then we are done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bon appetit.